Okay, we got GPS RAND MCNALLY. This is what it's doing to me. Okay, this is older model, but this is what happened when you have GPS for a couple years and then she's gonna play a stupid game on you all the time. I try to make update and see what happened, because it's showing me all the time that crazy message that that device is not legal to run. Why? You spent a lot of money, $300, and that device start making you sick again. See, again, this device is not registered to run. This application and map database application will terminate. My question is, what is going on in this crap? Even if you wanna press that button, close, that button doesn't work. It's gonna disappear for a few seconds and then again. See, that doesn't work. You have to turn the power off and then turn it on again. I tell you, I don't want to buy this crap anymore from that company. They have a nice map, but software sucks. What you have to do is turn the power off and try again. Maybe it's gonna run again. See what I see? This stuff, I bought it. My first GPS was this, from RAND MCNALLY. That was the longest life. Then I upgrade to that one. Okay. Then I decide to go to this one. Okay, this one I was keeping in my car. I wasn't using a lot this stuff, but I was in my car for some years. Then I upgrade to this one. This one I have until today. And of course I used to have that, the new one, what they call that. And I used to have also that 8 Pro Mark II. I return. I tried the small one also, 580, 8 and some other one, which I returned the top new one. I didn't like it, and now it's time for this one to say goodbye. Okay, so I would say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a dash cam. So it's 4, 8, 5, 8 Pro Mark II, 6, and 587. So I used to have the 7 of them. So my question is, should I buy one more time RAND MCNALLY? And I think it's, if you want to keep GPS for 2 years and it's gonna break down on you, go ahead. But if you want to keep longer than 2 years, go for this one. 580 Garmin. or you can go for the bigger model. Okay, this is the small one, but it's good enough. Alright, so Garmin is like Toyota. It's gonna stay and work for a long time. All this one was long time. I used to have a long time this one, the first model. Now this software was good, but was problem with the charging problem. Okay, then this one is okay. I like this one, easy to use. This one was easy to use too. No problem. I've got the problem right now with this. So I don't know, man. I really like the maps in RAND MCNALLY, but this is what you see. You know, software sucks. It's not gonna work for a long time. You have to buy every couple years the new one. That's the way it is. RAND MCNALLY is doing business this way. Plus, RAND MCNALLY is made in China, okay, which is like quality drop down a lot. And Germany is made in Taiwan, but this is the German GPS, looks like, designed by German. Alright, and that piece of crap which I break down, is also wasting the money. So this one won't even turn on right now. I don't know, this is, man, I had GPS in my car for like 5 years, but I didn't use this much. Okay, I wasn't using this much because this one wasn't even in my truck. I don't know, man, what to tell you. It just makes me sick that you invest some money in all this GPS and then you have to buy every 2 years new one, because software, because of that, because of charging problem, because of software one more time. Man, this sucks, man. This sucks. RAND MCNALLY, when you gonna start making, do your something with your reliability, man? You suck.